Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, boys and girls. Welcome, everybody that's watching the Harley-Davidson of Danbury virtual showroom. My name is Al Lucchino. I'm the owner of the dealership. It's a family-owned business for the last 30 years. We're located right here in Danbury, Connecticut, exit 7 off I-84. And I want to introduce you to something that just arrived on trade. It's this 2024 Breakout 117. It's in Glacial White Pearl, and I just can't wait to show you this motorcycle. This bike, a couple of small extras I'm going to point out right away. Custom mirrors, docking hardware, so it's ready for a backresting pad. So a good, clean motorcycle. It's got the upgraded Glacial White Pearl paint from Harley-Davidson. We've got the chrome and black wrinkle 117-inch motor in it. Now here's the best part. The factory warranty runs until April of 2027 on this bike. So it's like a new equivalent, number one. Number two, the mileage, incredibly low, 265 miles. Customer wanted a different motorcycle. So you get the opportunity to buy a like new Breakout for a pre-owned bike price. So it doesn't really get any better than this. The bike is under 19K, 18.5K is what the bike costs, and you just can't do any better than this motorcycle. Now let me walk you through the motorcycle. We start with a 240 millimeter super wide back tire. We've got an LED headlight in the front. We've got a small 2.14 inch LCD display that gives you a very trim, clean looking handlebar setup. We've got forward controls and a drag bar. Very comfortable chopper custom style ride. I love that 240 millimeter tire. We've got a side mount license plate, and the turn signals function as brake lights as well on this motorcycle. Now, what I like on the Breakout too, it's got the updated monoshock chassis, and we've got an externally adjustable spring preload to tune the suspension. Nice and easy. We don't have to take the seat off and crank a wrench to adjust the shock preload if we want to soften it or firm it up. It's all done externally. We've got a 6-speed transmission on this motorcycle. We've got a belt drive that's quiet, clean, and virtually maintenance-free, and we've got that very chopper-like, stylish 21-inch front wheel on the front. Now, all this stuff is great, but let's talk about the real reason why you want this and you want to ride this motorcycle. It's a 45-degree, air-cooled Harley-Davidson V-twin. It's a big thumping V-twin. It's rated at 101 to 102 horsepower and over 120 foot-pounds of torque stock. That means instant acceleration when you twist the throttle. That means you've got the V-twin rumble that you want. This is a fantastic bike. Come on down to Harley-Davidson of Danbury. Let's take this bike for a ride. Now let me point out a couple of things that are popular at Harley-Davidson of Danbury. First of all, our phone number is right here, 203-730-2453. We're open Tuesday through Friday, 10 to 6, and Saturdays, 10 to 4 p.m. But I also want to point out one of our more popular exhaust systems is Jekyll & Hyde. It's made in Holland. It's a multi-mode, 3-mode exhaust system, quiet, medium, and loud, controlled electronically from the handlebar. Comes out of Holland, and very popular and really livens up the motorcycle. Now, one of our popular upgrades is a Stage 2 Screaming Eagle cam and kit on these bikes with a set of slip-on mufflers. We've done a number of these, and it boosts the horsepower further, more throttle response, more V-twin rumble, more of that Harley sound and personality that this bike provides, and that's what the customers want. We want the Harley big thumping V-twin and rumble. This bike delivers it. Now behind us is our DynoJet 250i dynamometer. You can see the sign. It says Screaming Eagle Performance. We can test, tune, and improve any carbureted or fuel-injected Harley-Davidson for you. In fact, that's why we're known as the Danbury Muscle Factory. If you want to talk about upgrading this bike and doing it sensibly, reliably, and making it fast, come talk to us at Harley-Davidson of Danbury. We've got the dynamometer services, and you can see the dyno right behind us. Thanks for watching this video. Come on down and let's go riding together. Bring your riding gear. I'll see you at the dealership.